In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI for meeting notes in ClickUp. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take a messy set of meeting notes and turn it into a clear AI-generated summary right inside ClickUp using the built-in Ask feature in Docs. Start by opening ClickUp and looking over to the left sidebar. That's where all your workspaces, views, and tools live. If you don't immediately see the Docs option, open the More menu to reveal the additional tools. This expands the sidebar so you can access everything you need without hunting around. Next, choose Docs. Docs is where your written content lives. Things like agendas, meeting notes, and project briefs. If your meeting notes are already saved as a doc, you're in perfect shape. If you use a shared meeting template, look for that document. If you keep notes by date, select the most recent one. The key is to open the doc that contains the text you want summarized. Click to open that doc. Give it a quick scan to make sure the notes you want summarized are visible in the document. Headings, bullets, and clear sections help the AI produce a cleaner summary, so if your notes already have some structure, that's a bonus. Now, look to the top right of the doc for the Ask button. Ask is ClickUp's AI assistant, and it's designed to understand the content in your doc and act on your instructions. Click it to open the panel. In the prompt field, tell the AI what you want. Be specific and outcome focused. For meeting notes, a great prompt might be summarize the discussion, highlight key decisions, list action items with owners and due dates if mentioned, and capture any open questions. If your team uses a particular format, mention it so the summary matches your style. When you're ready, click Summarize. The AI will read the document, analyze the content, and produce a concise, structured recap. This usually includes a high-level overview, decisions, and next steps based on what's written in the doc. Give the result a careful review to confirm it reflects the conversation accurately, especially for dates, responsibilities, and any nuanced decisions. If something looks off or you want the output refined, adjust your prompt with more guidance. Ask for shorter bullet points, clearer owners, or a risk section, and run. Summarize again. Strong prompts and well-organized notes lead to the best results, and keeping sensitive details minimal in raw notes helps maintain privacy. That's it. You opened Docs, launched Ask, gave a clear instruction, and used Summarize to create clean, usable meeting notes in seconds.